You might recall from my other video that I was super excited to get the old radio working in my 356. Oh my god, it's working.
But it's
Do you hear that?
more about the system than the star players.
It's a 1958 Motorola 8M tube radio, and I am amazed it still works. But what I'm not so excited about is how it was installed in the 1960s. It looks like somebody just took a hacksaw to the dashboard, which is no bueno. All right, so here's the radio. It's installed now. You can see, you know, it doesn't look terrible, but, you know, these lines here, this, you know, they're barely even parallel to each other. And yeah, it just doesn't look great. And it looks like it had a faceplate around it at one point, and the Motorola 8M did come with a faceplate, and I found some photos of it. At some point in this car's history, the radio broke, and somebody just put a blank brass plate over it, drilled it with holes. So I wanted to find a way to make this look better, and I could not for the life of me find a Motorola 8M faceplate anywhere online. So what I did was I made my own. Let me show you. After I designed this in Inkscape, I printed it out on my printer to get a template that looks something like this, which I think will look a lot better. But what I want to do first is get rid of this little outline around the edge here that you can see from where it kind of got discolored. So I'm just going to get my little orbital polisher out and try to get rid of that. I don't know how well you can see that, but it definitely reduced it quite a bit. So I think that looks pretty good. I might try one more pass on it. See, I knew it was gonna look too nice. No, it looks too nice. I wonder if I should just go ahead and do the rest of this dashboard, make it look better. Okay, now let's just put the radio back in. All right, so we had my little template that I made here, and then we got this from Send Cut Send. So let's take a look at what was delivered. Very nicely packaged. Oh, look at that. They give us a little snack, a little sticker, but most importantly, check this out. Got 3 different variations. We've got a bronze, we've got an aluminum, and we've got a stainless steel. Now, I originally just ordered one of these, but it was only going to be about $4 or something, and they have a $29 minimum. So I figured I might as well add a couple other options in order to meet that minimum, and I can see which one I like the best. But this is pretty nice. They're all like shrink wrapped on here, and yeah, very, very cool. And I think these will be, one of these should definitely do the trick. And I think I'll have some Swedish fish here. This looks pretty good. Could use a little snack. Alright, so we've got 3 options here. We can go with a bronze one. Looks pretty good because it kind of matches that. We can go with the stainless steel. Not bad, looks decent. Or we can go with the aluminum, which is the thinnest. I don't know, what do you think? I guess I can change them out at any time, but give one to start with, maybe go with the aluminum. The aluminum certainly is the lightest, so save weight. The stainless is a little bit beefier though, and a little bit more, I don't know, it just feels a little bit more solid there. Yeah, maybe we'll go with the stainless for now. Alright, I think this is definitely a big improvement over the jagged hole in the dash. I think it definitely looks a lot better. The stainless steel kind of matches the knobs here. I mean, for $5, that seems like a pretty easy way to repair the dashboard, but let me know if you think it looks janky. Let me know in the comments, and you know, maybe I'll do something better in the future. As always, thank you for watching.